Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I've never known what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab. Yeah, we found a shed.
Yeah, mate, no. Little break, now we're back.
Yeah.
Not the usual content, something different, something new.
Yeah, love it.
But
Regardless.
we're at the bro's place where we're down the skids.
Mm.
Now,
Mailer.
we should remember this weapon.
If it's
gonna... Nah.
No, it wants to look at my face.
Alright, well, the Escudo that was doing skids.
Yep. It's not
Our
going to be
mate
an
wants,
SUV no more.
he wants to chop this into a uterus. So,
We've got a couple lines on there.
we've got this line here that we're going to try and follow up through the window. And then all the way along this body line. And then just pick it up slightly around the back there. That'll be good. And then we're going to leave the roof on, like the top skin.
And hopefully.
There's even a support bar like perfectly right through the middle.
Oh, nice.
So we're going to fold
Fold
the
it
roof
right on there.
around that support bar and down the back of it. Uterus.
And a couple touch-up bits, but we don't need to worry about that.
And then we'll be on.
Yeah.
This will be an ultimate skid weapon.
Do you reckon we'll be able to cut his springs and like put smaller tyres on it for him? That would be pretty fun.
Cut the springs and put some muddies back on it, because you know how cool that would look? That'll look like a little trophy truck. Like a little stadium truck. That'll look sick.
Oh, we'll see that.
Yeah, we'll set up a little time lapse so you can just like watch us do our thing.
Mm.
And we'll, any important bits, we'll stop and show you.
Yeah. Oh, see some sparks.
Yeah, let's get into it.
So we're hiding from the rain now.
Yeah, out of the rain now.
What do you got going on over here?
Just marking the lines of where we're going to
Cut. Oh, yeah.
cut along here.
That's very professional.
Yeah, mate.
It's unlike you.
Not freehanding it today.
Actually got the ruler and all.
No, mate, when it comes to important stuff like this, gotta take seriously, you know?
Fair. So,
And then that one, I'm just going to follow the inside there.
Wow.
Down to there.
not too many cuts.
No, not too many. And then on the roof, we just need to cut off all the like pillars.
Cut up here a little bit.
Yeah.
And then pop them money on the roof.
So yeah. That'll be good. I think, yeah, if we just cut up there, straight up to like, I don't know, maybe there.
Yeah, I'd say so to make it easier for us to fold it. Might have to
Yeah.
cut a little chunk out.
And then cut all of that back out of it.
Yeah.
And the same across there, cut all of that out.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Beauty.
So yeah, just, where do we start?
With a grinder and some hopes and dreams.
We start at the top and then try and like get the weight off all of this so the grinders aren't getting...
Yeah, it's a great idea. Smart way of thinking about it.
Alright. We'll do that then.
Sweet. Set up a time lapse. Let's go.
Mean.
You want to show the people what we've done so far?
Fancy mandor. Oh. Yeah, sick.
Living life in luxury. So, we made the ute tailgate so far. Still hinged on down there. Still usable. Not that the handle works.
No, we'll hook the thing back up. What one's the fucking thing? That one.
A smaller one. There you go, fully functional. Just have to lift it up when you clip it.
What size are they?
12.
12.
Oh,
How good?
sorted. Now time for the rest of it. Just careful with that lip, bro. It's sharp as fuck. Oh yeah.
Oh, that one little pointy uppy bit.
Hard.
But how good does that look?
That looks fucking sick.
Looks like a little explorer out of Zimbabwe.
Some scrap sheet metal.
Yeah,
Fill that in. That's a nice flat.
nice little well side sort of thing going on.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So it's gonna cut some sort of notch in here.
Yeah, we'll just. I reckon cut straight up. Follow that up to about like.
Almost
Yeah. Oh, that's something.
pinch well.
What are they called? Praying mantis.
Be our friend.
Yeah,
Back
cut
to
up
it.
to like there. There, that point.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, just like on a 45 back. Wait.
Yeah?
Yeah, 45 back that way. And then it should just.
Fold and slip in.
Yeah,
In theory, we'll give it a go.
It's gonna slip us the light, but we'll just bend that in place.
Oh, she'll be right. She'll be right. That's our fold point.
Yeah, pretty much. Eh?
Right on the light.
Yeah, we'll fold it right here, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Let's go. And then boom, you.
So this is gonna be sick.
Okay.
Alright,
So I believe all the cutting's done.
yeah. We should just be able to fold it down. Alright, ready?
Go on. Oh.
Wait.
Wait. We need to pop it up in the centre. Try and make this nice.
Hang on, pull it back a little bit.
Nah, hit it from the bottom.
Go down. Wait. Just keep pressure on it. Keep going. Yep, keep going.
Try and smack it in the centre up, mate.
Oh, yep, right there. Hold on. Why is it coming back to this bit?
Probably because of the there's a support under the roof, G. Probably going straight across here.
Yeah, that's what it would be. It's trying to fold on the other side, but we want it on this side.
On this side of the support.
Yeah.
See what you're saying.
Try and smash that back up if you don't.
Do you care about your light, bro? Do you do?
Eh?
Do you care about the light?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the
Look,
spot.
See, there's a support that goes right there, G. We need to smoke this side of it, yeah, G. Whether we're gonna bend without a bit of pressure. That's pretty fucking on.
Oh, it's got the 45 to it. That's like mean.
Yeah, that's on.
That's fucking yeah, but there's you can.
Yeah, it's because it's still
Oh, he's.
we can cut a bit more out of these
Oh.
to get it to go through there.
I reckon we only need to get it to that.
Yeah,
Point
if you
there.
Want the trophy truck look.
Yeah, you want that slight
fucking
angle.
like,
Yeah, like you don't want it the whole way.
So all we need is like a bit of fucking sheet metal to tack that off. Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah.
And then yeah, we'll just get a bit of sheet metal in between.
And then I can relocate the radiator to here, G.
That's so good.
Fuck, that come out well actually. Pretty chuffed with that there.
That's a mean little bushwalker.
Fuck you! It's fucking sick.
Yeah.
That's on. That's on.
Fucking that's the way to do it. Look at this street.
What a weapon. You can't park there, bud. Fuck, this shithole stinks. That's so good. That's sick. That's so sick. This thing loves it.
Needs a few more to warm up. You can see the limited slip diff kicking.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see if I can drive me.
Bro, look at the back window up. It's going.
Is it?
Hey, it still works. Great,
Oh no, not again. Now it's twinning. We need more battery. We need a little shitter like this. That was dope. That was
an absolute fast shot, brother.
Alright, yeah, shots of the bro, fucking, alright, well, we gotta come back next time and just clean up a few ugly bits and pieces with some sheet metal. But, other than that was fucking sick. And I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Peace out, guys.
Oh no. She's gonna need a crash start now.
We'll pull her back a little bit.
Well, it looks sick, eh? From this angle, it looks dope. Like actual ute.
Good job.
Yeah. Where the fuck are your shoes, can? Oh, in there. Yeah. Just straight in second.
Be aggressive.
Straight in second.
Be aggressive.
Yeah.
Drive home on the roof.
Just like last time.
Yeah, even if it's timber.
Sure.
Oh, there's a hot light.
It doesn't
Nah,
work.
It's just the radiator can't breathe.
Oh yeah.
That's all the cow shit. Nah, it's been on this since we turned the car. That's always on, bro.
Oh yeah, mate. I reckon you could pop that. Yeah.
That from there is the one we couldn't pop last time. Yeah, nah.
Yeah, she is a bit, eh?
Nah, she's stiffen up.
No, like on the pedal. Oh, on your foot.
Oh.
Yeah. About to go, I reckon. You're good? Yeah, I know. So close! It's almost there. Yeah. Alright, I think we'll head back. Yeah. Oh, right. Do you want to head back, bro? Yeah, sweet. Alright. Sweet, bro. That was great. I got a bit of mud on me. I was a bit saturated.
But I had the fun.
That was good. That was good. Where's the bro going? Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
Off and gone.
Alright. Alright, now we're done.
Great. Yeah.
Now we're done. Alright, catch us later.
Later, boy.
Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.